The motorcycle has always meant a mean of transport to me, a machine designed and developed with the most noble scope of going from A to B in the coolest and most cost-effective way, sometimes in the shortest time possible, sometimes enjoying the highest level of comfort. Nothing wrong with cars, it just isn't my thing. A car is just like a second home, and I don't need one. In a car you got protection, comfort, it makes long journeys more tolerable. On a bike you're exposed, vulnerable, and you take chances from time to time. Just like living. On a bike you got the wind. You got the vibrations and the best soundtrack you could ask for, the sound of the engine. On a bike all that matters is where to brake. Am I in the correct gear? Shall I pin it or shall I shut it? You're focused on the thing, riding. When I ride a motorcycle, all the hassles of modern living get left behind, and the ride is all that matters. That's what I need right now. I used to dream of riding the twistiest and most scenic roads, going from stunning ancient villages full of history, where to experience the warmth of the hospitality, to the highest peaks in the mountains. A break in the routine which could have pacified my craving built up over winter for sun, nature, and the open roads, touring the most remote areas in the countryside, sometimes far away from the mainstream route. Then I found fuel in corners.